Today, we're diving deep into a showdown between two titans of the tire world, Continental's PremiumContact 7 and Goodyear's EfficientGrip Performance 2. Let's see which tire comes out on top in this head-to-head battle. The Continental PremiumContact 7, released in 2022, is the latest in a distinguished lineage, boasting improved wet and dry traction. Meanwhile, the Goodyear EfficientGrip Performance 2, launched in 2020, is renowned for its fuel efficiency and great comfort. In wet conditions, the tests show the PremiumContact 7 stopping 2.8 meters shorter than the EfficientGrip. However, the EfficientGrip edges out slightly in lap times, making this a very close contest in wet performance. Switching to dry conditions, the PremiumContact 7 slightly outperforms the EfficientGrip in braking and handling, offering a 1 meter shorter stopping distance and quicker handling times, reflecting its robust performance on dry roads. Comfort is crucial, and here the EfficientGrip Performance 2 takes the lead. It's notably quieter by 1.4 dB and offers better subjective comfort, making it the go-to choice for those who value a quieter, smoother ride. Considering rolling resistance, the EfficientGrip Performance 2 boasts the second lowest rolling resistance in our tests, making it more energy efficient and environmentally friendly compared to the PremiumContact 7, which has a higher rolling resistance. This could be a key factor for those focused on fuel economy and reducing environmental impact. In conclusion, the choice between the Continental PremiumContact 7 and the Goodyear EfficientGrip Performance 2 depends on what you value most. For superior wet and dry performance, Continental might be your best bet, but for comfort, quiet, and better rolling resistance, Goodyear could be the way to go. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.